Getting some news alerts on actually Goldman and Wells as those calls are ongoing. Wilfred Frost has it back at HQ. Wilf?
Only listening to one of them as we speak, though, Carl. So I'll go with the Goldman headline, in particular the fact that they've announced they took an $80 million write-down as it relates to their exposure to WeWork. That comes in the investment and lending business, and I believe, based on what they've said so far, that was therefore the private stake they already had in the company. Don't forget, Goldman, as well as often running these companies' IPOs, they invested in them at an earlier stage, and that $80 million write-down is based on that. Earlier, JP Morgan, of course, said that their financial exposure at this stage was minimal. Goldman Sachs giving a color on an $80 million write-down. We'll see if any more color comes on that in the Q&A. Just a couple of other things that I'd point out on this Goldman call. One, which I think has helped support the shares from the lows that they were at earlier in the session, is that on ROE, which dipped below 10% this quarter, they're suggesting that, A, the year average is above 10%, and it should get back to that coming up, and that also they said the reason they suspended the scale of their buybacks during the quarter was, here is a quote from the CFO, Stephen Scher, saying that they'd begun discussions with certain U.S. governmental authorities with respect to the resolution of the 1MDB matter. So perhaps, therefore, a hint that they're getting closer to sorting out that particular issue, which, of course, will be a huge relief to the shares if and when they do. But need to get back on the Q&A and hear if we get any more specificity on all of those factors.